Harris here, back with a brand new video, and today we have entered the back of this field. We're gonna ride some bikes, lads. It's gonna be a good video. We'll catch you when we meet up with Wardy.
Oh, we came to Harris's community, come on!
All I remember is don't full throttle it, because I'll fall back. That's all I remember.
Yeah, but like, he doesn't know a car.
No, I've ridden a car before.
A car?
Rid a car?
Right, Harris, your turn now.
Alright.
Sit on it, and keep doing that, like slowly. Someone's that! How was that?
The fuck?
Clutch snapped.
Oh, it's actually...
Why do you keep holding it? You should let go.
It's
Whiskey throttle.
This Pitbike stuff is too sweaty. How was your experience with riding with me?
Well, I've seen it the first time on a small kid's bike, so I knew it was going to be bad.
Teach me how to start the
Teach
bike.
you how to Dougie.
Teach me how to... Yeah.
Right foot, you kick this as hard as you can down, and while you kick, you do this. That turns the bike off.
That turns it off, okay.
So look, you kick.
Yeah?
If you can't start it, you can't ride it.
If I don't do this, does it stop flying?
No, you're in neutral.
Okay.
Kick it as hard as you can and then throttle. Yeah, you're gonna have to learn. Bring it all the way up,
Yeah?
and I'll kick hard. You're not kicking hard now.
Mate, how hard do you want me to kick?
Like hard.
Okay, proper like.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know how to start it.
And now keep learning that though. You might have to get a bit more practice.
Okay. All the way up, and all the way down.
So you kick it with your foot upwards. Like kick up instead of like kick down. And I'm in neutral. You get it, you go, kick up, and then you go.
You just stalled.
Yeah, but. Alright, cut that out. You kick this up. Yeah. Once you get moving on one, you'll be fine, but don't go fast.
Oh.
When you're moving at about 10 miles an hour, then you go to gear 2. So you just kick up again.
When you're in gear 2, proper rev it.
Yeah, Charlie, get that.
I promise.
Come on!
I know, kick into neutral. Alright guys, we're on the yard and we're here with Harris AY and he's riding the pitter shitter. Take it away.
Point it. Yeah!
Oh!
Oh my god! I'm never doing that again. My heart dropped.
This is my decision. I love smokery.com.
You're gonna. This guy's crazy.
Go,
My dick, bro. Oh
the lever is
Fuck my dick.
Huh?
My dick, bro. The wheel.
We're such bad influences. We just told him keep going faster, faster, and now he's face first or that first?
Yeah, fuck.
Wow. The thumbnail will go crazy on that.
I consented to that happening.
He consented to it. Okay, do it.
£10, you do 5 more jumps, I reckon, would you?
Nah, I don't want him to hurt himself. No, because if Brett is injured, I have no cameraman.
Okay,
He's a cameraman.
I can replace him.
You can replace him. You can replace him. You generally just want to see people get hurt.
That's your deal.
Yeah. Bit revs. You have to hold the revs. Yeah,
Kick it, kick it. No, he's trying to shit, bro. Shut the fuck up, bro. This is what you did earlier, kick it.
That's it.
This guy, he's a fucking idiot.
Look at this.
Fuck that song. Bro, you fucking is in the way of the...
Yep, still in the way.
That's not
There's nothing in there.
It smells. It smells.
That should be enough. That should be enough. I paid for it, yeah.
No, kick him over at the same time.
Rob, the compression's gone.
Watch this, I'm started.
Oh, go on, man. Oh, dude.
Oh, it is.
We're gonna rev this before we go. It feels good and bad at the same time.
I mean, let's go.